Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where my aim is to bring the taste of the Philippines to your home. Today's recipe is Beef Kare Kare, a beef stew cooked with peanut butter. Kare kare is a dish served for special occasions in the Philippines. Here are the ingredients of today's recipe: shrimp paste, salt, garlic, ground pepper, beef stock, oxtail, peanut butter, banana blossom, onion, water, eggplant or aubergine, bok choy, and string beans. We got some water boiling in a large pot. We can now add the oxtail and let simmer for 2.5 hours or 3 hours until tender. Only takes 35 minutes if you use pressure cooker. After 2.5 hours of simmering, the beef is now tender. Add the peanut butter, stir, and simmer it for 5 minutes. At this point, you can add annatto seeds if you have them. Add beef stock and simmer it for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and put aside. On a separate pan, heat the oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic till brown. Give it a stir. Add the onion. Give it a stir till soft. Add the banana blossom. Give it a stir. Add the string beans. Give it a stir. And add the eggplant. Give it a bit of stir. And simmer it for 10 minutes. The vegetable is now cooked. We're gonna add it to the stew. After simmering for 5 minutes, add the pepper, ground pepper, and a salt. This has now been simmering for 5 minutes. You can now add the Boc Choi for 2 minutes. Kare kare now is ready to serve and enjoy. Serve hot with shrimp paste. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. See you soon!